Gino Pettis Adventures. Oops. I'm still Gino. These are still my adventures. Got some news today, guys. I made a landing page, well, actually Felix and I did, for the channel. So I can send you cool emails when I have important stuff to tell you. So please opt in. Down in the description, there's a link. Go to the link, opt in, and you'll get emails from Gino, and there won't be a bunch of spam, it won't be a bunch of crap. It'll just be important stuff that we need to know. Because today I'm going to also tell you about that I'm making about $2,000 a month on this channel. Some new things that I'm involved in to get better YouTube content for you and get you informed better. So hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff, because it helps. It helps out. I'm making about from $1,000 to $2,000 a month with my YouTube channel. And everybody thinks that you have to be at the monetization level, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And that's just not true. You can monetize, you can make money from your channel without having to actually be monetized by YouTube. And for example, YouTube's running ads on my channel right now, but I'm not getting any money, which is okay. I don't care. YouTube is a great tool. So I have about 700 subscribers, maybe less, and right at 3,000 hours of watch time. So I'm about 3/4 of the way there for monetization. But I'm here to tell you, I've been making about $1,000 to $2,000 a month. And I think you need to know that. I think you need to know how that's happening and why that's happening. Because I'm sure there's people in the States that are from 45 to 65 that aren't retired and don't get Social Security that would like to come to Colombia, but know full well you cannot get a Colombian job and make $1,000 or $2,000 a month. And there's also you guys that are making $1,000 a month on Social Security, that if you were making another $1,000 to $2,000 a month like myself, it makes life a lot smoother. I mean, I don't mind. I live well on $700 with my lovely bride. $700 a month. I get room and board, and we live well. I make $1,100. Okay, I get to say I have $400 disposable income, which goes to the car and this and that and the grandkids and next and whatever. But what the extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month has afforded me is I can help a lot more people do a lot more things. For example, my guy that's renting the hotel's visa expires on October the 6th. And the rumor is there is a partial freeze on visas started last night at midnight, where they're not taking any more visas until October the 24th. But come to find out, it's one part of the government and not the other part of the government that if you have your tourist visa, you can still get it renewed, and it's no big thing. But everybody was kind of up in arms, and I was trying to help Don, and I actually called him. I'd sent him the email. I'd sent him the email a week before, telling him that the thing was going to be frozen. He hadn't even bothered to look at the email, and when he did, he freaked out, and with good reason. So what I was fully prepared yesterday to pick him up and take him down to Bucaramanga in my car to my visa lady to get him taken care of, and I would do that on my own nickel. Just because it's called customer service, right? So I'm figuring out I'm needing a mailing list for you guys. So when stuff like that comes up, or I can tell you how to make an extra $1,000, or I can tell you how to make an extra $2,000, or I can help you get involved with YouTube if you want to, and how to build your channel, that I can. So what we did yesterday, Felix helped me build a landing page. I didn't know I needed a landing page. I didn't know what a landing page did. Well, basically what it does is you go there, you put your email in, your name, your phone number, and I send you some information and thank you for signing up. So down in the directions, description, excuse me, there's going to be a link to that landing page. And I would really like for you to opt in. It will really help, number one, the channel, and the channel gets help, you get more help, you get better content, you get better deals, and I can help more people. And you might be one of those people I end up helping. Wouldn't that be cool? I know there's hundreds of countries you can move to. I know there's hundreds of things you can do in the United States. But I can tell you one thing. This is a beautiful place to run out your years. Yes, it is. And the people are nice. And the climate's beautiful. And say what you want to say about the government. Doesn't have a hell of a lot of effect on a lot of people. Now, if you're in the city, there's people raising hell about the government. But out here in the country, it takes a lot for them to come out here and mess with us. So, Gino Pettis Adventures is going to another plateau. I'm going to have stuff, learning experiences for you. I need your email. I need to send you stuff. And I don't want to be the spam guy. I want to send you interesting stuff that makes a damn. And I think if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know this channel's not a hustle. You know I do my damnedest to be honest and straightforward and above board and to get you the most precise information I can, good or bad, because I've spit out some bad news too. So I think we're good here. And I'm really excited about the new stuff that I'm doing and the new direction. I'm not going to stop doing our old stuff. Our old stuff is still going to be there, but every now and then I'm going to mix in some stuff on how to make a little money or how to do a little side hustle or whatever to make life better for us. But I'm still going to do the real estate. I'm still going to do the living. I'm still going to do the dating and the whole enchilada. We're just going to put a little icing on the cake. So please go down to the description, click the link, opt in, and we'll be rolling. So remember, it's the first day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, nothing changes. Opt in. That's changing something. You're going to get something different. I'm going to unwind this thing right now. So God bless you and yours. Don't forget to drop me comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you on the flip side.